Hey everyone, and welcome back to another video. In this video, I'm going to show you how to embed Calendly onto your Squarespace website. Now, this video is going to be particularly useful for individuals. Let's say that you want to go ahead and have one of your scheduling events appear on your Squarespace website. How do you actually go ahead about doing so? Now, this video is going to be short, sweet, and simple, guys. There's not going to be a lot of steps involved. Now, in order to do this, let's first log on to Calendly. Then find the event which you want to get the embed code for. Then click on these three dots. Then click on Add to Website. Now there's multiple ways you can add Calendly to your website. We're going to click on Inline Embed. Click on Continue. Then on the right hand side, you're going to find your HTML code. So you can copy this code and paste it onto your Squarespace website, and there you have it. But that right there, guys, is the best and easiest way that I know of to actually go ahead and find your embed code for Squarespace. If you guys know of a better or easier way to actually do this, let me know in the comments down below. I would love to know. Thanks so much for watching, everyone, and I'll see you guys all in the next video.